Hi everyone, my name is Angeli and welcome back to my channel. So this video has been doing really well and I've been reading your comments. So I'm going to do more hairstyles for you guys and we're doing one today. I already washed my hair. I shampooed, conditioned. I just rinsed out the deep conditioner. My hair has grown quite a bit in these past few weeks, so that makes me really happy. I don't really know the hairstyle I'm gonna do. I have an idea and I'm just gonna like go with the flow. We're gonna go with the flow. I hope it goes well. I've been really liking the CURLSMITH leave-in. This is the air dry cream. This has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's very moisturizing and I need it because my hair gets really dry. Just applying it to my ends. Also, I forgot to mention, I got a new camera. I used the money I got from my Milk makeup collab and yeah, I got a new camera, so very nice. I thought about straightening my hair for this hairstyle, but I really don't want to apply any heat to it, so I think I'm gonna try to straighten it in a very strange method that I saw on YouTube many years ago. I'm so happy my bangs have grown out tremendously. Y'all, that was a case of its own. We love. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but I hope it does. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna be really disappointed. Basically, you're gonna do a tubi on your wet hair. And I don't really know how to explain what a tubi is, but from my country, that's what they call it. I don't know if it's a Spanish thing, a Hispanic thing, or if it's just like a thing in the DR. You're supposed to use bobby pins, but I don't have bobby pins. I really hope my mom doesn't come in here because she's gonna be really concerned. This just preserves your hair after you straighten it, and usually you do it when your hair's straight. This is how I got away with straightening my hair all throughout high school, was by doing a tubi on my hair every single day. Okay, so the top area we're not gonna neglect. I'm going to sleep and I hope this comes out the way I planned, because if not, this is gonna be really disappointing. And I wake up pretty early in the morning, so I'm going to try and film it. We'll see how I feel, but I'm gonna try. Yeah. Okay, that's all. I look so gross right now, but it's fine. Just ignore my face. I don't really know if what I did yesterday worked on my hair. The idea was there, the execution was not there. So let's start this hairstyle and let's hope it turns out well. First, you want to get a comb like this. I'm not even going off a photo. I just thought of it in my head and we're gonna do it. Now that my hair is all combed out and it's split down the middle, we're gonna do 2 Dutch braids and we're gonna stop right about here. I'm just taking a small section of hair out. Now you're gonna do a Dutch braid. Most of the time when I do a Dutch braid, I start it right here and I go like this, but for this look, I'm gonna start it here and work my way back. I'm gonna use a little bit of gel and you're gonna need a brush like this. You're just gonna do a Dutch braid and you're gonna stop right about at the top of your head, or like the top of the crown. I'm trying to grab very small pieces so it looks kind of like I'm trying to do cornrows, but I can't. Now that this is done, I'm just gonna put it back in a bun for now, and we'll get back to this section after. And you're just gonna clip them away. Now you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna start the Dutch braid like this and work your way straight up. Finish braiding my hair and then I will be back. You're gonna want to apply some gel in the back so it's nice and slick. I just tied off the braids, and you want to make sure that when you tie them off that they're pretty parallel. They're not like uneven, and you want to make sure they're very much at the top of your head, not too far in the back, not too far in the front, just right at the top. I'm gonna finish this hairstyle tomorrow because right now it's kind of late and I don't want to finish my hairstyle if I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna apply some mousse on the braids and I'm gonna put a head wrap around it so it'll stay nice for tomorrow. I'm back. It is the next day. I slept with a little wrap on my hair to preserve my braid. I ended up loosening the pigtails last night because I didn't want to sleep with them super tight. So I bought some hair at the beauty supply store. The reason I bought it was because I think I'm gonna put it around. This is just braiding hair and I bought it nice and curly. I'm just separating the curls a little because it came all bundled up. A piece of hair looks like this. You want to first put your hair in a bun. I have a love-hate relationship with my hair, which is why I'm doing this. But if you're someone who loves wearing your curls out, you can just style this part of your hair and curl it and just like put it in a cute little bun. I want this to last a little longer, so I'm using this. And I think I'm just gonna twist it and just wrap it around. I'm just gonna secure it with a little bun. Well, that was easy. Honestly, this hair's kind of nice, so I think I'm gonna keep it for a while. Now that I know what I'm doing, I'm gonna explain it again. This is the brand. Look at it, take a photo if you want. This is the front of it. I will link the hair and whatever I use in the description. So again, I'm just twisting this off. The hair is like through this little wire. I can't remember how much this costed me, but it was definitely less than $10. Again, I'm just taking them apart so I can like put them through my finger. Now we're just gonna do it again. I don't even know what I did. I just wrapped it. Gonna wrap around and make sure you get the top of your little bun too. It's okay if it comes out a little messy. It kind of looks nicer, I feel like, when it's a little messy. I'm gonna secure this with bobby pins in a second, but let me finish the front. Just adding some gel. I'm gonna finger quit. I'm going to put some bobby pins in my hair to secure the buns. I'm gonna put some jewelry and do my makeup, and we will be right back. Okay, I am done with the look. I added some little accessories in my hair and in the braids. This is pretty much dried. I'm not gonna lie, just I like stretch these out a little. I'm vibing. I feel like this hair would look really cute with like straight wear, so I'm gonna try to turn around. I wasn't the neatest in the back, but yeah, this is the end of the video. So thank you all for watching. If you like this video, you can give it a like, comment, you can subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one.